left Quincy.
That bird just shat straight. I thought that was gonna run into our car. Yeah.
So hot.
So hot. Alright, we're leaving Quincy. We gotta run to my sister's house. She is very crafty and she made us a quilt for our anniversary. Our anniversary's coming up in
We love her quilts.
They're awesome.
I live in them in the winter.
Stony Creek Inn was a great place to stay.
Except for the dog that was barking. Did you hear that dog?
I did hear the dog. There was a dog that was barking. We got a long drive home. Quincy's a nice place. We like being home. However much we'd love to travel, we love being home.
Yeah, I think traveling makes you appreciate home so much more.
We have to stop in Macomb, Illinois. Katie has some family connections here only because her brother and her dad went to college here. There's a Western Illinois universities here. And there are college kids everywhere and it makes me feel very old.
Me too.
And they're literally all just waking up from like the bender before.
They're getting education. Higher education.
They're getting a higher education. We're gonna try to find some food and then get some gas and get back on the road here. Alright, let's do this, honey. Grab your purse.
He's just cool.
Alright, where are we going? You wanna do Louie's Family Diner?
Oh gosh.
Oh yeah, this is our totally. Let's bring to Louie's Diner.
That was an experience. Louie's Diner, you know, will always be Louie's Diner. Don't ever change.
It's hard to see, but behind us is this house that looks really, really worn down. Her dad used to live there. It was the teak house of Western Illinois University, which I think is condemned. We're now ending our stay in Macomb, and we're gonna get back on the highway and get back to Chicago. We're switching spots. I have to use the washroom. She's gonna drive the rest of the way home, and I'm probably gonna nap.
What?
Yeah, fact.
Oh.
Take these, would you? We're like 15 minutes away from home, and there's this truck, this Dodge truck. We've been behind for like 40 minutes, literally the last 40 minutes, and it's going very slow, and it's driving her crazy. She's crazy. And me. I've been sleeping a little bit. We're really excited to be home. We cannot wait to see Miles the pup. Hi, buddy. Sit. Can you sit? Hi. 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 Oh my gosh, she's so excited.
Hi.
Hi. Oh my goodness.
Hi. Oh, no. Oh no. Come on, Oldsmobile.
Come on. Let's go.
Come on, Oldsmobile. Come on, Oldsmobile.
This guy.
Just leave him alone.
What is he carrying, do you think? Bye, Felicia.